Hey, Ag Teacher Thoughts here, coming at you with another video. It's, you see my glasses are fogging up. It's probably 90% humidity or more in here. I watered the greenhouse really good yesterday because I knew I wasn't going to get up here in time to go ahead and open it up. I've got the first stage of my cooling started. I've opened some vents, cracked open the door, and we're allowing the temperature to come down. But as you can see there, at least I think you can see, I can't see through foggy glasses, it's 121 degrees, almost 122, and that's warm. But let's take the glasses off so I can see. But as you can see from the plants here, you know, they're doing okay. I'm pretty sure that their stoma are going to be completely opened. They're going to be expelling water, which is why we got the massive humidity in here. See, we still got moisture on here. So this is 120 degree water on these plants. And as long as we cool it off slow and we don't just instantly cool it off, these plants will be just fine. So I'm going to try to cool it off over a course of about an hour or so, like I mentioned in my other video. But this is kind of the hazard of early spring. So in early spring, we've got cold nights where we still need to run the heater, but then once the sun comes out, we get it nice and warm in here. So 120, yeah, that's a little warm. Yeah, I need to turn that fan off. All right. But yeah, so 120 is okay. We're gonna look at a few of these others, and you can see we've got the condensate up here, so there's a lot of condensation. So there's a lot of moisture, which is good for the plants. So as long as we keep them nice and damp as we go through this cool down process, they will be okay. Whew. But 90-ish% humidity. Glasses have finally warmed up. 90-ish% humidity and 122 degrees is it's a little warm for a person. So I know I can stay in here for a little bit and get a little bit of work done. I do kind of need to monitor it as it starts to cool down, but definitely need to figure out a plan how to get these greenhouses to stay cool on these hot days. I can't keep coming up here every day and staying to the wee hours of the night once the sun goes behind the hill. But that's kind of the way it's been, waiting for the cooling fans to get put in. Well, connected, they're put in. But yeah, so this is kind of how it is. Yeah, we come back down. Yeah, a little bit. We've dropped about a degree. So I've got the door propped open and the vent open. I'll open another vent here in about 15-20 minutes and open the door a little bit wider. But again, this is that slow cool down process. So let's see, how are some of the plants doing? Oh, there we go. Back in focus now. So these baskets are actually doing quite well. These are some of the ones we planted a few weeks ago. They're looking good. I know some of the ones back here were looking really good. Yeah, that one's not bad. Oops, that probably needs to be pinched. So does that. Get that to branch a little more. Yeah, there we go. There's a decent basket. That's a marketable one. Yeah, that looks good. So is that one. I got sweet potato vine going there. It's got some nice heat on it. Yep. There we go. All right. Yeah. That's because of the heat. It's too hot for those Bacopa. They got plenty of water, but they're just too hot. So anyway, we'll continue on with the cool down process and just kind of update you on that. I figure I'll walk out of here for 15-20 minutes, come back, see how the temperature's doing. But yeah, that's how it goes. Anyway, I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed. Ag Teacher Thoughts out.